how-to vids, and this is how to use a tie down. First step is to get your ratchet and lever it open so that middle gap has a clear line through to the other side. Then you get your strap and feed it from the outside in and pull it down like this. Done that, you're ready to go. So to show you how to tie something down, I'll be tying down this dog box to my ute. First thing you do is use the strap end and attach it to the first anchor point. Then you bring it round, keeping the tension on over the thing that you want to secure. The next step is to move the ratchet up and hook on the second anchor point, making sure that the rope is tight the whole time. Now you're able to tighten the strap by using this lever point. Once this is secured firmly, you can roll up the remaining strap. Once this has been rolled up, you can feed through the excess strap still left at the end, like so, to stop it from flapping around. Thanks for watching.